the government intend to resolve this, because it's part of this question only. How does the government intend to resolve the salaries issues which has been again and again coming up for the last so many years of the South Goa Comunidad?
Speaker sir, तेच आत्ता म्हणिल्लें इनकम समज एडमिनिस्ट्रेटराक येवपा जाय इज थ्रू दिरेमाज. दिरेमा जे आमी दाखयता ते पे जायत ना. आतां कुमुदादीक जेन्ना दिरेमा आनी इनकम येवचो ना, whatever estimate they make or they try to show as expenses, that is never met. The budget estimate just becomes for the namesake. आता ताज्या खातीर स्पीकर आसा सेल्फ सफिशियंट कुमुदाद जावच्यो म्हूण 2016 फेब्रुवारीन गव्हर्मेंटान सर्क्युलर काडलो की ऑल कुमुदाद एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह ऑफिसीस हॅव टू बी सेल्फ सफिशियंट म्हणून, आनी ग्रांट्स बंद जातल्यो. कित्याक 2016 पर्यंत 4 वर्सांक जवळ जवळ 2,31,00,000 ग्रांट इन एड म्हणून साऊथ गोवा कुमुदादीक दिल्ली आसा टू पे फॉर सॅलरीज एंड अदर एक्सपेन्सीस. आतां फुडें कशी चलोवपाची, दे हॅव टू पे दीस दिरेमास. इलिगॅलिटीज आसा म्हणजे रेवन्यू येना. So Commudad Commission will look at it, but at the same time, Speaker sir, government has taken a decision that in the Honorable CM and the decision getilla as far as this particular thing is concerned, for the next 4 years, the grant in aid will continue in a particular pattern. In this particular year, Speaker sir, 2016-2017 पर्यंत financial year जी grant dispersed जाल्ली, ताजी 75% पे जातली. फुडल्या वर्सा 50% पे जातली ऑफ 2016-2017. ताज्या वर मागीर 25% जातली ऑफ 2016-2017. And within these 4 years, government will, the Kumudads will have to ensure and the administrative officer will have to ensure that they become self-sufficient.
Anyway, I want only one assurance. Don't answer me anything. One assurance, in your tenure, you will take one complaint to logical end and see that action is taken and see that there are changes in the Comunidades of Goa, because all these years we are getting the same answers.
कोलवाळे कुमुदादीचो पयर आयलो, तो immediately action घेतले during demand. I will tell him what we have done. He is aware about it. So as far as action is concerned in this type of issues, government will not compromise. तुम्हें जो issue दिला, we are not talking, it's an inquiry which is there. Let the inquiry report come. After that, we will act on it. Assurance. Action 100% will happen. हे तुका assurance आम्ही दिवंक शकता. 16-17 बेस धरले आम्ही रेट. आणि त्या रेटी प्रमाणे we are splitting it into 4 years of giving the particular grant. That is grant in aid given. So पहिल्या वर्सा 75%, मागीर 50%, मागीर 25%, आणि मागीर they have to be self-sufficient.